Okay, so today we are working on some 5 inch actually, Paradigm mid-range speakers, and we're replacing the foam surround. I already took the other one actually just kind of fell apart. It just peeled off pretty much, and that's just due to them not being worked. So within time these actually just become so brittle that they actually just fall apart. So I went ahead and I ordered some brand new ones off the internet. You can find these off on eBay. These are the foam surround. Just you get the like this one. They usually are like a part number in back of the woofer, or you can just go by the size of the and brand. I went with the Paradigm. I believe these are the 5-inch speakers. So I went ahead and ordered them, and I got these in the mail. You get a pair of foam surround, you get the glue, and you usually get a brush. I never done them with popsicle sticks before, but there's always the first time for everything. And we're going to get started. I'm going to put this on hyper speed so we can just finish cleaning off the edges and stuff. I usually use a razor blade just to clean it off really good on the edges, even here if need be. And then we'll let it set for about 24 hours, and then we'll check to see how they're doing by tomorrow. So now that we have the speaker cleaned all the way around, even the cone part, we're going to go ahead and start putting the foam around it. We'll do like a pre-fitting on it real quick, just to make sure everything's going to look good. That looks good. So what we're going to do is we're going to put glue all the way around the frame, and then we're going to put some glue all the way around the cone part. I usually like to put the glue on the foam itself, but since I don't have a brush and I'm just working with these funny looking popsicle sticks that they sent me, that's what we got to work with. So we'll go ahead and start putting some glue around. Okay, so that actually completes the process of gluing it, and we're going to let it set for, I usually do a good 24 hours to make sure that glue really sits in good before, because I mean I play my music loud, and I like the movement of that speaker to make sure it's gonna not come apart either. So we'll take a look at it in 24 hours, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so this is the finished product on these 5-inch Paradigm speakers. As you can see, actually stayed very, very good. So these are ready to go and mounted on the back into the speaker cabinet. So anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Have a good day.